Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates.
In this video, I will explain you top 5 tallest buildings in this current 28th century. So depending upon the height of the structure and depending upon the number of floors, I will explain you the top 5 tallest buildings. So I will explain you the details of the respected what we call building name and which city it was located and how many floors for that respected building consisting of and what is the height of that respected structure, and I will explain you the starting year of that respected project and ending year of that respected project and how many years that was taken for construction of that project and cost of that respected project. Okay, in that first one is Burj Khalifa. So the Burj Khalifa is first tallest buildings in this current 28th century. So it was located in Dubai city in UAE country. So it will be consisting of 163 number of floors. Okay, so it will be consisting of 163 number of floors. The height of the respective structure is 823 meters. So 823 meters is the height of that respective structure, which is approximately equal to 2713 feet for this respective structure. So the starting date of the Burj Khalifa was started at 2004. The ending date of this respected Burj Khalifa is 2010. Okay, so it was taken 6 years for construction of this respected Burj Khalifa, which is consisting of 163 number of floors. So the construction cost which is used for construction of this respected Burj Khalifa is $1.5 billion. Okay, so it was taken $1.5 billion. So this is the first tallest buildings in this current 28th century. So second tallest building is Shanghai Towers. The Shanghai Tower was located in Shanghai city, which is in China. So it will be consisting of 126 number of floors. So the Shanghai Tower will be consisting of 126 number of floors. The height of this respective structure of Shanghai Tower is 632 meters, which is approximately equal to 2073 feet, 2073 feet is height of the respective structure from the ground. Okay, so this is the second tallest building. So the starting year of this respected project is 2008. So the starting date is 2008 and ending year of this respected project is 2015. Okay, so this respected 7 years in the gap they are constructed this Shanghai Tower project. Okay, so in China city, the cost of this respected project is 1.5 billion China currency. So it was taken $1.5 billion of China currency for construction of Shanghai Towers. Okay, so this is the second tallest building in this 20th century. The third tallest building is Makkah Royal Clock Tower. So the Makkah Royal Clock Tower was located in Meera city, which is in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so it will be consisting of 120 number of the floors. Okay, so it will be consisting of 120 number of the floors, which is approximately G plus 119 number of stories for construction of this respected project. The height of this respected Makkah Royal Clock Tower is 601 meter, which is approximately equal to 1972 feet is the height of this respected Makkah Royal Clock Tower. Okay, so this is located in Saudi Arabia. So the construction starting year of this respected project is 2004. Okay, 2004 is the starting year and ending year of this respected project is 2012. So in this span of this respected 8 years, they are constructed this respected Makkah Royal Clock Tower building. So this is also skyscraper building. So this is the third tallest building in this 20th century. So the cost of this respected project is 15 billion US dollars. So it was taken 15 billion US dollars for construction of this respected project. So this is Makkah Royal Clock Tower building. The construction cost is 15 US dollars, 15 billion US dollars. So it was taken. So next tallest building is Ping An Finance Center. So this was located in Shenzhen city, which is in China country. The number of floors will be consisting of 115. Which is approximately equal to G plus 14 story building. So it will be consisting of 599.1 meter height. So for construction of this building, it was taken 599.1 meter height. Okay, so the height will be approximately equal to 1935 feet. Okay, 1935 feet is the height for this respected project. So the starting year of this respected project is 2010. It was started the construction of this respected project. The ending year of this respected project is 2017. So it was taken 7 years for construction of this respected Ping and Finance Center. So this is the fourth tallest building in this current 20th century. Okay, so it was taken 1.5 billion US dollar for construction of this respected project. Okay, so which is Ping and Finance Center. So this is the fourth tallest buildings in this current 20th century. The last final fifth tallest building is Lotte World Tower. Okay, so this is the fifth tallest building in this current 28th century. So which is located in Seoul city, which is in Korean country. So it will be consisting of 123 number of the floors. So it was having 123 number of the floors for construction of this respected Lotte World Tower. Okay, so it is having 553 meter height, which is approximately equal to 1821 feet. So for construction of this respected Lotte World Tower, it was taken 1821 feet for this respected structure. So this is the fifth tallest building. The starting year of this respected project is 2011 and ending year of this respected project is 2017. So in this respected 6 years of gap, they are constructed this respected project. Okay, so this is the fifth tallest building. Okay, so it was taken 3.4 billion US dollars for construction of this respected project. Okay, so it was taken 3.4 billion dollars for construction of this project. So this is the fifth tallest building in this current 20th century. So which is consisting of Burj Khalifa is first one, and second one is Shanghai Tower, third one is Makkah Royal Clock Tower. So this is the third one. Fourth one is Ping An Finance Center. So this is the fourth tallest building, and the last one is Lotte World Tower. Okay, so this is the fifth one. So these are the tallest buildings in this current 20th century. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your question in the below comment box. I will give you the answers. So if you like the video, please click on like button and click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting videos which is related to your civil engineering. Thank you.